The secrets to trading. Trading doesn't really have a lot of secrets, but here's one. Just trade what you know and trade something solid. Because if the stock goes down a lot, buy more shares when it goes on sale. Average your cost down, then sell covered calls against those shares. You're taking in income over and over and over again. Crypto arena. Crypto right now is super low. Instead of trading crypto though, trade crypto stocks. Sell puts on crypto companies and only buy them if it goes even lower. And then if and when you buy the shares, sell a covered call, make money again. That's the secret to trading. And then here's the other secret nobody talks about. Just make sure you have enough money to do that. So for example, if you have $10,000 in an account, don't purchase $10,000 in one shot, because when the stock goes down, and it will go down, you need to have money on the side so you can buy more. And if you're using margin, make sure you're not over leveraged. Make sure you're modeling, okay, if your ticker drops 50%, do you have enough money to sustain your account? Or will your positions need to be liquidated? Anyway, trading isn't hard, but there are some solid rules to follow, and those are them. So check out the rest of this video. I'm going to walk through some ideas, and I'm going to show you exactly, using my platform on Thinkorswim, how to sell a put, how to choose the strike price, how to choose the expiration date. Now before we jump right in, just do me a favor. In the bottom right hand corner, subscribe to my channel. I have a video every day for 1,000 days to help you be a more successful trader. So let's jump right in. So let's walk through this trade. IBIT or IBIT, IBIT. It's the iShares Bitcoin exchange traded fund. And it's less than 50 bucks a share. Right now it's trading at $47.97 per share. And the reason why it's so low is because Bitcoin dropped a lot recently. Right now Bitcoin is trading at about 85,000 per coin. Way lower than its highs from just a short while ago. So now you could do a couple things. You can buy Bitcoin, and that's kind of a pain in the neck. You need a wallet, and then also you don't actually make money until you sell the coin. So even when Bitcoin goes up, it's just a paper gain. But if you sell options, you get a realized gain in your pocket, and you can actually do that from week to week or month to month, whatever time frame you want. So first, when we walk through the expiration dates, we can choose however long we want to hold the contract. So for example, since Bitcoin is super low right now, we can go out, let's say 6 months. If we were to do that and go through May 2026, we can take a look and see what the pricing is for IBIT. So let's go through a few different examples. Let's say we want to go way far from where the stock is currently trading. Let's say we wanted to sell a $30 put. Well, what we're doing is we're committing to buy shares, but only if the price goes lower than $30 before May of 2026. I don't know about you, but I personally think over time, Bitcoin goes up. This last contract traded at $122. So $122 gets dropped into your account right away, and you only have to put up $3,000 for this trade. So let's take a look and see what our rate of return is. 122 divided by $3,000, that's a 4% rate of return for 6 months. So 8% per year. And you keep that money no matter what happens. So even if Bitcoin goes up, or if it goes down, or if it stays sideways, you keep the $122. Now I know what you're thinking, Michelle, that's probably not a really high rate of return. It's only 8% annualized. And that's a fair point, because we're looking at a 10 delta. So there's only a 10% likelihood that IBIT is going to go all the way from where it is now, $47.97, way underneath $30 by May. So there's a lot of time frame left, and it's got to come down substantially. So let's look at something a little bit closer to the money. Let's look at a $45 put. So right now IBIT is at $47.97, and it's super low. Remember, this was about $70 just a few weeks ago. So the $45 contract last traded at $527. Let's calculate that rate of return. And this contract has about a 34% likelihood that the price is going to drop below $45 before May. So you get the $527 deposited into your account right then and there. You're committing to buy 100 shares at $45 per share. So you're committing to $4,500 in capital. So we're going to divide our premium divided by the capital needed to make the trade. Now we're making almost a 12% return for a 6-month holding. And remember, you keep it no matter what happens.
Now let me give you one other idea. Let's say you just want to buy shares. Let's say you want to buy 100 shares now because it's so low, $47.97 per share. You can sell a call way far out as well. Let's keep looking at this May 2026 call. Well, let's say we don't care about the share price, but we just want income. I can sell a $50 contract, and that last traded at $685. So $685 gets dropped into our account. Remember, we don't have to buy something, hope and pray, and wait for that to go up, and then sell it in order to capture income. We get paid right away. And we're putting up, in this case, $4,797 if we're buying 100 shares. Well, in that case, we're making 14% on our money for a 6-month holding period. About 28% annualized. Not so bad. So here's the thing, guys. You get to pick whatever date you want. You can go closer, like 1 or 2 or 3 weeks out. You can go 6 months, like I just illustrated. You can go 1, 2, or 3 years out as well. And for the strike price, you can commit to purchase 100 shares at whatever amount you feel comfortable purchasing those shares for. Remember, you're in the driver's seat. Pretty cool, huh?
Hope that helps. Like my video, subscribe to my channel. I'm putting up a video every single day for 1,000 days. Anyway, cheers for now. Happy trading.